Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael. Today we're going to fix a mechanical, or should I say electrical issue on my car, which has the fault code you can see here below. I'm gonna show you just in a second what it is and what is wrong with it. But first I would like to apologize because I did not upload much, but to do cool stuff you need cool money, which I don't have that much of, and especially now at the corona time there is not much to do. But we have a fault today and we're going to try to fix it, so let us see what it is all about of the fault. You can see now. Alright guys, so this is the problem. As you can see, it's the 4x4 system, other than I need some fuel, but that's okay. Also we have this system is blinking. Let's see if we can fix it. So guys, we are at my friend and he is gonna fix the fault code for us, and we're gonna pull a new wire from the transmission case to the chassis so we can solve the problem, because it's a mass problem, so it's gonna be a new mass cable. Not pretty spectacular, but it will solve all the issues. Alright guys, so we have a mass over the heat shield all the way to the potentiometer. Apparently this is where the problem should be, and we're gonna test it out now and hope that it works. If not, we have to search for another issue. So guys, that cable was not the problem. As you can see, there's still a fault. We're now looking at it with the big computer and hopefully we can find the problem this way. Well, a lot of faults. So let's wait for this to be done and get it on. So what we also did today is to change this air hose, take it off the braking system and put it on the air intake system. I just didn't know it was that close to each other, because apparently I got the wrong one, which resulted in a fault light. The check engine light came on, and with hanging the computer on it, it turned out the brake system was failing. Well, not failing as it didn't work, but the sensor just had a different opinion about it. And so yeah, it's fixed now, so it's all perfect. Alright guys, so the faults have been helped. Apparently it was just a simple, see, it's all gone. Apparently it was all just as simple as using WD-40 just on the plug, because apparently the plug where the electrical malfunction existed was under the car, and there is a lot of dirt and water coming into that, so there was some oxidation on the plug and that caused a malfunction. But it's all gone now, it's all good now, so I hope this will help you in the future or someone else. So make sure you leave a blue thumbs up if this did help, and don't forget to subscribe down below. So don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a video, because it's not that often, because now the corona and the financials and such things. So make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will catch you the next time. See you later guys.